Hi Satvik.
Hi. Today I'm so excited. Do you know why?
Why?
Because today is my brother's birthday.
Woohoo!
Yay!
Yeah.
And today he's gonna be 2 years old. And I
Wow.
love him so much and he's the cutest in my house. I'm so excited. He's already a big boy.
Yeah.
So plan A is when my brother wakes up at the bedroom, where we will keep a bag on top full of balloons, and then we'll drop the balloons. We'll open the zip, and
Oh, so cool.
and then it'll fall and show ya.
Okay.
Here's the fun parts. I'm so excited. Let's blow the balloons! Yay! Whee! Crazy! I'm so excited. Let's see. You want to rocket launch one balloon? Oh yeah! Yeah!
Oh, happy birthday, Shaurya!
So in the evening we will have a birthday party for Shoya. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yay! I'm so excited.
Yeah, I'm excited too.
We will make some nice decorations for Shoya.
Okay. So what theme you choose for your brother?
I choose Baby Shark theme.
Wow.
Baby Shark do do do.
Baby shark do 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 do.
Baby Shark do 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 do.
Baby shark. Okay. So yeah, let's get into decorating.
Yeah?
Okay?
Okay. So here's our decorations. Let's open the decorations. Oh my gosh, let's dump everything out. Here they are. So now let's open the package for the bag. Now, here it comes. Look at all the stuff we have. Wow, this one's nice. Oops. And we got some whatever these are. So now this is all the stuff we have. This is a
What is that?
octopus. Yeah, so let's name this. Down on the ground. Look at that. It's a nice octopus. Okay, so now this is a fish. We have two of them. Yeah, these are some nice fish. So now we have two sharks. Like the trees for the biggest now. And here this is the final big one. So this is a party. This is a big one. Look at this. Yes, of course it's over.
Shaurya, cheese. Shaurya, look here. Shaurya.
The celebrations are not over yet. Shaurya's surprise present is coming up next week. Keep watching. Bye bye.